हेलो फ्रेंड्स। मैं हूं नवनीत एंड आई वेलकम यू टू माय चैनल एंकर इंग्लिश। इंग्लिश में ऐसे बहुत से वर्ड हैं जिनकी स्पेलिंग डिफरेंट है, अलग अलग है, उनका मीनिंग अलग अलग है, परंतु बट उनका प्रोनाउंसिएशन एक सा है। क्या? उनका प्रोनाउंसिएशन एक सा है। कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हमें इन डिफरेंसेस का पता नहीं होता है और उनको हम गलत तरीके से यूज करते हैं, खास तौर से लिखने में। अब गलत तरीके से उन वर्ड्स को यूज करने पर पूरे सेंटेंसेस का ही मीनिंग चेंज हो जाता है। अब जैसे कि वर्ड है बर्थ। यह वर्ड इंग्लिश में दो तरीके से यूज होता है। उनकी स्पेलिंग भी डिफरेंट है, उनका मीनिंग भी डिफरेंट है, लेकिन उसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन एक सा है। ऐसे ही दूसरा वर्ड है बॉर्न। इंग्लिश में यह वर्ड दो तरीके से यूज होता है, उनकी स्पेलिंग भी डिफरेंट है, उनका मीनिंग भी डिफरेंट है, बट परंतु उनका प्रोनाउंसिएशन एक सा है। तो आप समझ सकते हैं कि अगर आप इस तरह से वर्ड्स को गलत स्पेलिंग के साथ सेंटेंस में प्रयोग करते हैं तो उसका मीनिंग ही चेंज हो जाता है। जैसे कि अगर आप बर्थ की स्पेलिंग BERTH की बजाय BIRTH यूज कर लेते हैं किसी सेंटेंस में, तो आप समझ सकते हैं कि उस पूरे सेंटेंस का मीनिंग ही चेंज हो जाता है। और फिर जब कोई दूसरा उसको पढ़ता है तो वह स्पेलिंग ठीक करने के लिए बोलता है, और खास तौर से ऑफिस में इस तरह की गलती पर एम्बेरसमेंट भी होती है। तो आइए सीखते हैं ऐसे ही वर्ड्स के बारे में और अपनी वोकेबलरी अंडरस्टैंड इंप्रूव करते हैं। द वर्ड इज एक्सेप्ट। इंग्लिश में यह वर्ड दो तरीके से यूज होता है। द मीनिंग इज डिफरेंट, स्पेलिंग इज डिफरेंट, बट द प्रोनाउंसिएशन इज सेम। द वर्ड इज accept, ACCEPT. Its meaning is to agree to receive. Example sentence is India accepts US request to supply medicine. इंडिया ने यूएस रिक्वेस्ट को स्वीकार कर लिया है, एक्सेप्ट कर लिया है मेडिसिन सप्लाई करने के लिए। Another word is with the same pronunciation, accept, EXCEPT. Its meaning is not including. Example sentence is accept money, Rohit is all ready to help you. सिवाय पैसों के रोहित तुम्हारी हर तरह से मदद करेगा। The word is advice. It has same pronunciation but has different meaning, different spelling. So the word is advice. ADVICE. Recommendation about what to do. The meaning is recommendations about what to do. How to use it into sentence? I followed my father advice. मैंने अपने पिताजी की, अपने पापा की एडवाइस को माना। I followed my father advice. Next word is with the same pronunciation but the meaning is different is advice. ADVISE. To recommend something. Its meaning is to recommend something. I advised you to sign after reading only. I advised you to sign after reading only. मैंने तुम्हें कहा था पूरा पढ़ने के बाद ही साइन करना। Next word is affect. Again, it has a similar type of pronunciation, but spelling is different, meaning is different. So the word is affect. AFFECT. Its meaning is to change or make a difference to. Example sentence is system upgrade will affect the performance. System upgrade will affect the performance. सिस्टम को अगर हम अपग्रेड करते हैं तो इसकी परफॉर्मेंस बेटर होगी, will affect the performance. Next word is almost the same pronunciation, effect. To result, to bring about result. Its meaning is to result, to bring about result. Example sentence is this medicine effect immediately. This medicine effect immediately. यह मेडिसिन तुरंत असर करती है। Next word is aisle. Aisle. It has the same pronunciation, but meaning is different, spelling is different. So the first word is aisle. Aisle. Its meaning a passage between row of seats. A passage between rows of seats. Example sentence is my boss does not prefer aisle seat in plane. My boss does not prefer aisle seat in plane. मेरे बॉस को गैलरी वाली सीट पसंद नहीं है. Next word is ISLE. Isle. Its meaning is an island. Example sentence is I prefer to go any isle on vacation. I prefer to go any isle on vacation. The word is altogether. Altogether. Spelling is ALTOGETHER. Its meaning is completely, on the whole. Its example sentence is neither presentation is altogether complete. Neither presentation is altogether complete. कोई सा भी presentation पूरी तरीके से तैयार नहीं है. With the same pronunciation, another word is altogether. ALL space together. TOGETHER. Its meaning is all in one place. Its meaning is all in one place. Example sentence is we went over there all together. We went over there all together. हम वहां पर सभी लोग साथ में गए थे. हम वहां पर सभी लोग साथ में गए थे. Next word is along. Again, the meaning is different, the spelling is different, but the pronunciation is the same. The first is along, ALONG. Its meaning is moving or extending horizontally on. Moving or extending horizontally on. Example sentence, he came along with me. He came along with me. वह मेरे साथ आया. Next word is a long. A space long. Again, the pronunciation is same, but meaning is different, spelling is different. Its meaning is referring to something of great length. Referring to something of great length. Example sentence, we tired by walking along on the road. We tired by walking along on the road. हम एक लंबी सड़क पे चलते हुए थक गए थे. Next group of word is allowed. Allowed. Spelling is ALOUD. ALOUD. Its meaning is out loud. Example sentence, music was allowed that we could not hear you. Music was allowed that we could not hear you. Music इतना तेज था, उसका इतना शोर था कि हम तुमको नहीं सुन पाए थे. Next word is allowed. Same pronunciation, but spelling is different, meaning is different. Its spelling is ALLOWED. Its meaning is permitted. Example sentence, only employee are allowed to enter office. Only employee are allowed to enter office. सिर्फ ऑफिस के एम्प्लॉय ही ऑफिस में एंटर कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड इज altar. The spelling is ALTAR. Its meaning a sacred table in a church. Example sentence, we all gathered around the altar in a church. Next word is altar. Again, same pronunciation, but meaning is different, spelling is different. Its meaning is to change. Example sentence, these jeans need to alter to reduce the size. These jeans need to alter to reduce the size. Next group of word is amoral. Its meaning, not concerned with right or wrong. Not concerned with right or wrong. Example sentences, some people are immoral but not evil. कुछ लोग immoral टाइप के होते हैं, उनका राइट और रॉन्ग से कोई मतलब नहीं होता है, लेकिन ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि वो लोग बहुत खराब ही हों. Next word is in the same line, immoral. Again, pronunciation is almost same, spelling is different, meaning is different. Its meaning is not following accepted moral standard. Not following accepted moral standards. Example sentences, don't allow to count yourself as immoral. Don't allow to count yourself as immoral. Next group of word is appraise. The first word is in this series appraise. 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 Its meaning is to assess. To assess. मूल्यांकन करना, किसी चीज को समझना, किसी परिस्थितियों के बारे में उसको पूरी तरीके से समझना. We call it to assess. English word is appraise. Example sentences now. Appraise the situation first before making plan. Appraise the situation first before making plan. सिचुएशन को पहले अच्छी तरीके से समझ लो प्लानिंग करने से पहले. प्लानिंग करने से पहले सिचुएशन को अच्छी तरीके से समझ लो. In the same context, next word is apprise. The word is same, spelling is different, meaning is different, but the pronunciation is same. Its meaning is to inform someone. To inform someone. Example sentence, keep apprising me about the progress of work. काम की जो भी प्रोग्रेस हो रही है उसके बारे में मुझे बताते रहना. Keep apprising me about the progress of work. Next group of word is assent. 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 Its meaning is agreement, approval. Example sentences, she murmured her assent to end the debate. She murmured her assent to end the debate. उसने डिबेट को खत्म करने के लिए अपनी असेंट को बोल दिया, या उसने बहुत धीरे से स्वर में अपनी असेंट दे दी ताकि डिबेट खत्म हो जाए. In the same line, next word is assent. ASCENT. You observe, spelling is different, meaning is different, but the pronunciation is same. Its meaning is action of rising, climbing up. Example sentence, with your own effort, you will ascend in life. With your own effort, you will ascend in life. तुम अपनी मेहनत से ही अपनी लाइफ में आगे बढ़ोगे. Next word is oral. AURAL. Oral. Its meaning is relating to the ears or sense of hearing. Relating to ears or sense of hearing. Example sentences, this music system gives good oral experience. This music system gives good oral experience. On the same note, next word is oral. Meaning is different, spelling is different, but the pronunciation is same. Relating to the mouth is spoken. Its example sentences, school will arrange the oral test for admission. School will arrange the oral test for admission. Next word is balmy. How to pronounce it? Balmy. Spelling is BALMY. Its meaning is pleasantly warm weather. Pleasantly warm weather. बहुत अच्छा मौसम होता है तो उसको हम इंग्लिश में balmy weather बोल सकते हैं. Example sentences, Mumbai air was balmy with a tang of sea in it. Mumbai air was balmy with a tang of sea in it. Next word with same pronunciation, spelling is different, meaning is different. Balmy. Spelling is Barmy. Its meaning is foolish, crazy. Example sentences: Oh, John, she is not at all bad. She is just balmy. Oh, John, she is not at all bad. She is just balmy. Next group of word is bear. Bare. Bear. Its meaning is naked, uncover. Example sentences: Nita relaxed and praised her bare legs. Nita relaxed and praised her bare legs. On the same note, next word is pair. Spelling is different, meaning is different, but the pronunciation is same. Its meaning is to carry, to put up with, to carry, to put up with. Its example sentence: I bear your tantrum so much. Stop it. I bear your tantrum so much. Stop it. Next group of word is birth. The spelling is Birth. Its meaning a baby come out of womb. A baby come out of womb. Example sentence: In some countries, birth rate is very lower. In some countries, birth rate is very lower. Next word is on the same note, pronunciation is same, but meaning is different, spelling is different. Berth. Berth. Its meaning a seat in a ship, train, etc. A seat in a ship, ट्रेन ईटीसी। जब हम ट्रेन में कोई भी सीट को बुक करते हैं, हम रिजर्वेशन कराते हैं, तो जो सीट हमें मिलती है उसको टेक्निकली इंग्लिश वर्ड में बर्थ कहा जाता है। एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंसेस: ट्रेन्स प्रोवाइड लोअर बर्थ फॉर ओल्ड एज पीपल। ट्रेन प्रोवाइड लोअर बर्थ फॉर ओल्ड एज पीपल। नेक्स्ट ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड इज born. Spelling is Born. Its meaning is having started life. Example sentence: Sarah started her life again as a newborn baby. सारा ने अपनी जिंदगी वापस वैसे ही स्टार्ट करी जैसे कि वो नया बेबी स्टार्ट करता है। ऑन द सेम नोट, सेम प्रोनाउंसिएशन, बट मीनिंग इज डिफरेंट, स्पेलिंग इज डिफरेंट। द वर्ड इज बॉर्न, स्पेलिंग Borne. इट्स मीनिंग carried or transported by. Carried or transported by. The risk aspect also should be borne in mind. The risk aspect also should be borne in mind. Next group of word is bow. Spelling is Bough. Its meaning branch of a tree. Example sentence: The bigger bough may carry the more fruits. The bigger bough may carry the more fruits. Next word is same note, same pronunciation, but meaning is different, spelling is different. Bow. Its meaning is to bend the head. To bend the head. Example sentence: Soldier bowed and moved away. Soldier bowed and moved away. सोल्जर झुके और वो आगे बढ़ गए। नेक्स्ट ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड इज ब्रेक। द स्पेलिंग इज Break. इट्स मीनिंग टू सेपरेट इनटू पीसेस। टू सेपरेट इनटू पीसेस, टुकड़ों में उनको अलग कर देना। एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंसेस: ब्रेक द स्टोन इनटू पीसेस टू मेक कॉन्क्रीट। ब्रेक द स्टोन इनटू पीसेस टू मेक कॉन्क्रीट। with the same pronunciation. Meaning is different, spelling is different. The word is brake. Spelling is B-R-A-K-E. Its meaning, a device to stop the vehicle. A device to stop the vehicle. Example sentences: It is a rainy day. Check the brake of vehicle. बारिश का टाइम है, व्हीकल के ब्रेक चेक कर लेना चाहिए. It is a rainy day. Check the brake of vehicle. Next group of word is breach. Spelling is B-R-E-A-C-H. B-R-E-A-C-H. Its meaning is to break a rule or break into. To break a rule or break into. Example sentences: Unsolicited act will lead in a breach the contract. Unsolicited act will lead in a breach the contract. On the same line, same pronunciation, but meaning is different, spelling is different. The word is breach, spelling B-R-E-E-C-H. Its meaning, the back part of gun barrel. The back part of gun barrel. Example sentence: Soldier, check the breech whether it is fitted. Soldier, check the breech whether it is fitted. सैनिक, बैरल का बैक पार्ट को चेक कर लो कि ये पूरी तरीके से फिट है. Soldier, check the breech whether it is fitted. Next group of word is broach. Broach. How we pronounce it? B-R-O-A-C-H. B-R-O-A-C-H. Its meaning is to raise a difficult subject for discussion. To raise a difficult subject for discussion. Its example sentence: Mostly people hesitate to broach the subject. Mostly people hesitate to broach the subject. काफी सारे लोग उन सब्जेक्ट्स को रेस करने में हिचकिचाते हैं जो थोड़े कठिन समय के होते हैं. Mostly people hesitate to broach the subject. On the same note, next word is broach. Again, pronunciation is same. Meaning is different. Spelling is different. B-R-O-O-C-H. Its meaning is piece of jewelry. Its meaning is piece of jewelry. Example sentence: Keep the purse secure. It has some brooch. Keep the purse secure. It has some brooch. So friends, यह था हमारा आज का वीडियो. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. कीप लर्निंग. इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और बेल आइकॉन भी प्रेस करें ताकि हम जब भी नया वीडियो अपलोड करें तो उसका नोटिफिकेशन आपके पास आ जाए. थैंक्स अगेन. सी यू इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो.